Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Trav here from Trav30387. So we're here with the GSXR 750R, my K4 04 model. So I've got a bit of bling. I've got a new fuel cap here. So the standard fuel cap on this bike, because the bike had, well, the fuel tank had water in the tank for quite some years. I've cleaned it all out best I can, but there's damage in on the cap. I'll show you guys when I go to pull it apart, put it together. So this is actually a Monkey Bones branded billet aluminium fuel cap, so no more key, so it's just a twisted lock. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the old cap off, put the new cap on. So I guess it's going to be a bit of an installation video on how to, you know, put in a Monkey Bones branded fuel cap. Looks pretty sick. I've had it out of the box, but I wanted to bring you guys along and show you what it looks like. They're cheap. I think it's like 65 bucks what I paid online for it. There will be a link in the description down below, so make sure you check that out if you want to get a new fuel cap. Now this cap covers the 600, the 750 and the 1000. Now, so that's pretty good. Must be obviously the same size cap. Now this is a 1000cc tank, so the guy got it off before must have smashed the bike, so this is a different fuel tank. So anyway, that's enough. I'll get you guys over here, we'll show you a look at the cap, what the cap looks like, and then we'll start pulling it apart, and yeah, check it out. Sick. Cheers. Alright guys, let's open this box up and check out what's inside. Alright, so first things first, accessories. So rubber seal, there's two in there, a thin one and a thick one, and some screws to hold your new cap on. So that's good, really good. And the cap, Monkey Bones billet aluminium cap. Looks pretty sick. I like that. Not bad at all. It's a bit dirty, but anyway, it'll clean up. So on the back side, so how she works is when you twist it, you push it down. So push in and twist it. Anti-clockwise. And it pops out. Just like so. Look on the back side how she works. So pushing in, so push down, turn it. There she is. And she'll pop out. So there's a rubber O-ring there. I'm guessing one of them rubber seals is going to go here, because that'll butt up on the fuel tank itself. Righto, sick. Alright, let's get to putting it together. One big bad fat monkey bone. Righto, sick. Let's check it out. Righto guys, so I'll show you what I mean by what was happening with the rust in the tank. So it even feels shit. Like it just doesn't feel right, this cap. So I want to get rid of it before I have any problems. So as you can see the corrosion. So you can see how bad it is. Like, look, it's all brittle. There's rust, like there's rust on it. Now I've cleaned out this fuel tank the best I can when I put the new fuel pump in there, but it's still not quite right. So I'm probably going to wind up having to get another fuel pump in time, because it's probably going to kill the fuel pump, or get another fuel tank. But they're just dear as poison, you know. So righto. So judging by the look of this cap, there's a rubber seal here. Now that rubber seal is probably going to be incorporated with the other one, the new one. Now, by the looks of it, there's a screw there, a screw. So these are all screws got to come out. All these series of screws. Just move the camera back a bit for you guys. I'm using one of them Halo selfie sticks, guys. So this is very new to me now. So we're just getting a little bit more upbeat with the gear we're using here. So righto, pop this back down, get a Allen key, and you can probably hear a cat in the background because we've got a new cat. So undo all these folders, crack them all. What's been happening anyway, guys? What have you been up to? It's been a bit of a while since I've been able to do many videos. I've just been so busy with work. Stepped up in a new position, sort of grown a bit more. Anyway, Let's get this cap off. Belt the new one on. Belt the monkey bones on it. Had to have a bit of a laugh when I read it. I was like, what the hell kind of brand is this? Monkey bones. That sounds rare as. Oh yeah, true. Doing this as well. Be careful not to drop any of them bloody screws in your fuel tank, because wouldn't that suck? Okay. Pop that up there. Alright. Let's just have a bit of a dummy sit in here, like that. Oh shit, that looks sick. Suits the colour of the bike too. The bike's all jetted out black, like jet black. Alright. Get some new screws out. So this fuel tank too used to be blue. So it must have been off a blue K4. Like an early days girl. So blue and silver it used to be. You can sort of see the bit of blue there now. I got this fuel tank painted, resprayed for my mate of mine. So that worked out bloody well. Alright, so here we go, putting this gasket on there, right? Now there's two different sizes of gasket. We've got this one here, and this one here. So I'm just gonna dummy fit some stuff up to see which one's right, because you can see the thickness is completely different. So pop that there like that. Pop this here. Sort of not sitting flush how I'd like it to sit in the tank. So I might have to go to the thin gasket. Not very keen on the thin one, so I want to have a good take up into the tank. Oh. Oh, looks pretty good. Feels like it's pretty snug. Let's jump on the other side over here, guys. Yeah. No, it's taken up. Feels right. Right. There's no washers or nothing, so it's just a direct bolt in. See, the other gasket, it was like it was risen up, so it was up off the tank. So that looked shit. Just looked cheap. This looks pretty damn good. I like this. So just remember not to do these things up super tight either, because you don't want to go and snap a stud off, not in a fuel tank. Imagine trying to do a tap and tie, tap easy out of a fuel tank. That would suck. Getting hot. I'm just doing these up firm. Alright, sick. I think that's it. Alright, that looks mint. I'm very happy with that. That looks really good. Gonna give it a bit of flavour. Just subtle things, you know, guys. Subtle things with bikes, cars, anything. Just little things can make things look so cool. Alright. Let's go back out a bit. Alright. I'll give you a bit more of a look. Different angles. What do you think? Don't mind the bug sputter. I went and got smashed by bugs on the weekend. I took the jixer out. But anyway, what do you reckon of the monkey bones fuel cap? That looks pretty sick. Pretty happy with it. I like it. No more damn key. Alright guys. Bloody awesome. Very happy. Guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it. Putting a bit of bling on the K4 Gixxer here. We'll be putting a bit more work into it. I just don't know what I'm going to buy. Maybe give me a suggestion in the comments what you think I should put on this bike to make it look pretty cool. I do like dressing bikes up. I do like motorbikes a lot, and cars, as you guys know, following the channel. So just throw a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think I should do next. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Love your work. I'll see you on the next video. Cheers.